Is your work all finished? Then it's time to print. This demonstration will show you how to format worksheets in preparation for printing. For our example, we're using Excel 2010. You will probably notice some differences in other spreadsheet programs. One of the differences is that in some programs, you have to click on the Print Preview function, while in others, the preview is a default display, as it is here. Other than this difference, the various programs are all more or less the same. To prepare to print, we recommend that you define the print zone and use the Print Preview. To do this, click on the File tab and click on Print. Now you have access to all the print parameters, and you can see the Print Preview before you actually print. The print menus may differ from one spreadsheet to another, as well as from one printer to another. In general, though, the menus will allow you to set the zones you are going to print, that is, print active sheets, print entire workbook, and print selection, specify the pages to print, determine the side or sides of the pages to print, determine whether the printed document should be collated or not, set the orientation of the document, landscape or portrait, and specify the paper size. You can also set margins based on pre-established models or define custom margins. To do this, you have to specify the desired heights and widths for both the margins and the headers and footers, and then click on OK. Finally, you can scale the document to ensure that all the parts you want to print will appear on the page. To open the Page Setup window, click on the link. In this window, you will find the same parameters that appear in certain menus, along with some new parameters. For example, on the Page and Margins tab, you will find most of the parameters found in other menus, such as Orientation and Scaling, as well as Margin Specifications. The Header-Footer tab allows you to create, modify using the Custom Header and Custom Footer buttons, and delete headers and footers. Finally, in the Sheet tab, you can add a title to each page you print and specify any rows or columns that should be repeated. Other print options are also available, such as whether or not to print the grid lines, printing in black and white, and printing row and column headings. Once everything is decided, the Print button launches the printing process. The Copies field lets you determine how many copies to print, and the Printer menu lets you select which printer to use. That's all there is to it. Now you can format your worksheets in preparation for printing. Good luck!